How do you feel today?
I feel happy. I had a good breakfast this morning.
Why are you smiling?
I'm happy because I got a new toy. It is very fun to play with.
What makes you happy?
I feel happy when I see my friends. We play games together.
Do you feel happy at school?
Yes, I feel happy at school. I like my teacher and my classmates.
What do you do when you are happy?
I laugh and sing songs. I also jump around a lot.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy. I'm talking to you.
Who makes you happy?
My mom makes me happy. She gives me hugs and kisses.
What food makes you feel happy?
I feel happy when I eat ice cream. It is sweet and cold.
What games make you feel happy?
I feel happy when I play soccer. I like kicking the ball.
Do you feel happy in the morning?
Yes, I feel happy in the morning. The sun is bright and I feel fresh.
Why are you sad?
I'm sad because I lost my toy. I can't find it anywhere.
Do you feel sad sometimes?
Yes, I feel sad sometimes. It is normal to feel this way.
What makes you sad?
I feel sad when my friend is angry with me. I don't like fighting.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to my mom. She helps me feel better.
Do you cry when you are sad?
Yes, sometimes I cry. It helps me feel calm.
How can you help someone who is sad?
I can give them a hug. I can also listen to them.
Do you feel sad when you are alone?
Yes, I feel sad when I am alone. I like to be with people.
Can music make you feel sad?
Yes, some music is slow and soft. It makes me think about sad things.
Do you feel sad in the rain?
Sometimes, yes. The rain is gray and quiet.
What can make you stop feeling sad?
A funny movie can help me. Laughing makes me forget my sadness.
Are you angry?
Yes, I am angry. Someone took my pencil.
Why do people get angry?
People get angry when things go wrong. They feel upset inside.
What do you do when you are angry?
I take deep breaths. I try to stay calm.
Can friends make you angry?
Yes, sometimes they can. They may say something unkind.
How do you feel when someone yells at you?
I feel angry and hurt. I don't like loud voices.
What do you say when you are angry?
I say, I don't like that. I try to use kind words.
How do you stop being angry?
I count to 10. I drink some water.
Do you get angry when you lose a game?
Yes, I feel upset, but I try to play nicely.
Is it okay to feel angry?
Yes, it is okay. Everyone feels angry sometimes.
What can help you when you are angry?
Talking to someone helps. I also like to draw.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes, I'm afraid of the dark. I cannot see anything.
What makes you afraid?
Loud sounds make me afraid. They scare me a lot.
Do you feel afraid sometimes?
Yes, I do. Everyone feels afraid sometimes.
What do you do when you feel afraid?
I hold my teddy bear. It helps me feel safe.
Who helps you when you are afraid?
My dad helps me. He stays close to me.
Do monsters make you afraid?
Yes, monsters in stories scare me, but I know they are not real.
Do you feel afraid during storms?
Yes, the thunder is very loud. I hide under my blanket.
What can make you feel safe?
A light in the room helps. I also like soft music.
Is it okay to feel afraid?
Yes, it is okay. Fear helps us be careful.
What can you say when you feel afraid?
I can say, I am scared. I can ask for help.
Who do you love?
I love my family. They take care of me.
Do you love your friends?
Yes, I do. They play and laugh with me.
How do you show love?
I give hugs. I say kind words.
Why do you love your mom?
She cooks for me. She kisses me goodnight.
What makes you feel loved?
When people smile at me. When they listen to me.
Can pets show love?
Yes, They can. My cat licks my hand.
How do you feel when someone loves you?
I feel warm and happy. I feel safe.
What color do you think of with love?
I think of red. It is a strong color.
What can you do for someone you love?
I can help them. I can make them smile.
What do you say when you love someone?
I say, I love you. It makes them happy.
Are you tired now?
Yes, I am tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a nap. I close my eyes and rest.
Why do people feel tired?
People feel tired when they work too much. They need to rest.
Do you feel tired after school?
Yes, I do. Learning all day makes me sleepy.
What helps you when you are tired?
A soft bed helps me. A quiet room helps too.
Do you feel tired in the morning?
Sometimes I do. I don't want to get out of bed.
How can you tell someone is tired?
They yawn a lot. Their eyes look sleepy.
Can food make you feel tired?
Yes, if I eat too much. I feel slow and sleepy.
What time do you feel tired?
I feel tired at night. My body wants to sleep.
What do you say when you are tired?
I say, I need to rest. I sit down and relax.
Are you confused?
Yes, I'm confused. I don't understand this word.
What makes you feel confused?
Hard questions make me confused. I don't know the answers.
How do you feel when you don't understand?
I feel lost. I need help.
What do you do when you are confused?
I ask my teacher. She explains it to me.
How can someone help you when you are confused?
They can show me slowly. They can use simple words.
Do you feel confused in math class?
Yes, sometimes I do. Numbers can be tricky.
What do you say when you are confused?
I say, I don't understand. Then I listen carefully.
Do you feel confused when people speak fast?
Yes, very much. I can't catch the words.
Can pictures help when you are confused?
Yes, pictures help me. They show what words mean.
Is it okay to feel confused?
Yes, it is okay. We all feel confused sometimes.